and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing some Nickelodeon slime kits. So recently I've seen a lot of really cool Nickelodeon slime kits that look like a lot of fun, so I went ahead and picked up a few of them, and I am just so excited to open them in today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take you down to my slime area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies. And here are the slime kits that I'm going to be reviewing. So here's the very first slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the Nickelodeon Crunchy Slime Kit, and I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby for around $10. When I saw this slime kit in the store, I thought it looked like a lot of fun. I just love making foam slimes. They always turn out super nice and crunchy, and they're a lot of fun to play with. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get one bottle of clear glue, some purple and green paint, slime activator, a few mixing tools, 2 mini slime containers, 2 mixing bowls, a little bag of foam beads, and some instructions. So the very first step is to measure 15 milliliters of glue and pour it into the bowl. Now I am going to be making 2 different slimes, so I'm going to measure 15 milliliters of glue and pour it into each bowl. Next, I'm going to mix in 25 milliliters of water. Now, to give the slimes a super nice and crunchy texture, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some foam beads. Now, to change up the color of the slime, I'm going to mix in 1 spoonful of paint into each bowl. And now it's time to activate the slimes. Make sure to add in the activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. So here are the 2 slimes all completed. These slimes turned out so nice. They're super nice and stretchy. They have great bubble pops and they're a lot of fun to play with. These slimes are super easy and fun to make as well. I just had a lot of fun with this kit and I would definitely recommend it. So here's the next slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the Nickelodeon Sparkling Unicorn Slime, and I picked this one up from Hobby Lobby, and this one was around $17. I thought this kit looked like a lot of fun because you get to swirl a bunch of different colors of slime together. I just thought this one looked really pretty, and I was really excited to open this one. So here is everything that comes inside the box. So you get 6 different colors of paint, a measuring cup, 4 slime containers, a few mixing tools, 2 bottles of clear glue, some slime activator, some white and silver glitter, 2 mixing bowls, and some instructions. So the very first step is to measure 15 milliliters of clear glue and pour it into the bowl. Now I am going to be making 4 different slimes, so I'm going to pour 15 milliliters of glue into each bowl. Next, I'm going to mix in 25 milliliters of water. And now to color the slimes, I'm going to mix a little bit of paint into each bowl of glue. I'm also going to be mixing some glitter in the blue slime and the purple slime. And now it's time to activate the slimes. So I tried activating one of the slimes with the activator that came with the kit, but the slime didn't seem to be activating for some reason. So I decided to use my own borax activator, and it seemed to work a lot better. So here are the 4 unicorn slimes all completed, and now it's time for the super fun part where you get to swirl them all together. So here's the unicorn slime kit all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so pretty. I just love swirling all the colors together. And after the slime is all mixed, it turns into this really pretty purple color. I had so much fun playing with this slime, and I would definitely recommend it. So here's the last slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the Nickelodeon Glitter Scented, and I picked this one up at Walmart for around $5. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 1 bottle of clear glue, some slime activator, 2 slime containers, 2 mixing bowls, some silver and white glitter, some mixing tools, a measuring cup, some pink and blue paint, and some instructions. So the very first step is to measure 15 milliliters of glue and pour it into the bowl. Now I am going to be making 2 different slimes, so I'm going to measure 15 milliliters of glue and pour it into each bowl. Next, I'm going to mix in 25 milliliters of water. And now to change up the color of the slimes, I'm going to be mixing in a different color of scented paint into the slimes. Next, to make the slime super nice and sparkly, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some glitter. And now it's time to activate the slimes. And just like the last one, I tried using the activator that came with the kit, and the slime didn't seem to be activating for some reason, and I'm not really sure why. So I decided to use my own activator. If you would like the recipe for that, it will be in the description box down below. Now that both slimes are all completed, it's time for the super fun part where I get to swirl them all together. So here's the scented glitter slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so pretty. I just love all of the glitter in the slime, and I just had a lot of fun mixing all the colors together. This slime does have a nice sweet scent to it. It smells a lot like berries. I had a lot of fun playing with this slime, and I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram page where I post all sorts of fun pictures and slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!